In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily archive Instagram posts. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. After that, you can choose any post you would like to archive. Let it be that one. Then tap at these three dots and select archive. What that will do, that will immediately archive this post. To find your archived posts, stories and reels, tap at these three lines and then tap at archive. Then at the very top I can find a post that I have just archived, and also we can tap right here and then choose a stories archive or live archive from that drop down menu. That's how you can easily archive Instagram posts. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.